Today I will show you how you can combine videos on your Android device. So we have to start from downloading and installing this app, then launch it. Now click New Project and choose your aspect ratio. Now just select the files that you want to combine by this little plus. If you're ready, click here. You can see your videos are combined automatically. You can change the place for it. And if you are ready, click here. Now adjust the settings to your needs and click Produce. Now just close that. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.